I get asked every day, doctor, what should I eat? What should I be doing differently to try and stay out of this trouble? Very popular cocktail conversation. Is there a correlation between what we eat and colorectal cancer? Well, we start with how colon cancer forms. And we know that for almost all cancers, colon included, these are genetic mistakes that happen within the cell, right? We are all mutating all the time. And sometimes those mutations, we keep them around for the spice of life. Sometimes those mutations, though, are so critical within our cell that the cell will shut down and stop and try and go over and fix that mutation before moving on. But sometimes, and probably by chance, that mutation happens in, say, the spell checker of the gene. And so now we don't get that little squiggly line under our DNA that notifies our cell that something's up, so it doesn't make a decision. It doesn't go over and fix it, or let it be, if you will. And we think most of cancer occurs because of those events. Now, for the most part, they're random. So I have plenty of cardboard eating, marathon running patients. But on the other hand, those folks who gamble a little bit more often have a higher chance that one of those unusual genetic mutations will happen. And we do believe diet plays a part in that. We're not really sure what it is about a high-fiber, low-fat diet that's protective. Could be the high fiber sort of watering down, so to speak, all that bad stuff we ate. It also sort of has a transient, your stool moves through your bowel faster, so it has less time to interact with the wall of the bowel. The low-fat piece may have something to do with actually bile salts, believe it or not. If you change your fat content in your diet, your liver changes the kind of bile salts it makes, and they may be, in fact, different or more protective or less protective. So high-fiber, low-fat diet is our advice. Good balanced diet was the best thing you can do right now to stay out of my office.